I will show you a very easy idea you can apply at home for very annoying cutting wire, especially when you have extracted teeth and big or long free wire. So you can use this idea at home. I used this straw to show you or to make a demo, but the best option to use a smaller one so it will not have that big play around the wire. If it will hurt this edges, so you can trim simply by using the same scissor, but the smaller one will not have, because the ortho wax will not stick on the long free wire. So until you can go to dentist, he can place the wire sleeve. You can do this idea at home to overcome the annoying cutting wire and inflammation in your cheek. So let's suppose that is a wire. You can cover simply like this and you can enjoy your life. Thank you for watching.